Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made these deliciously simple spicy beef wraps. Okay, first I'll start by dicing finely one red onion. And I'll chop 4 cloves of garlic. After that, I'll fry the onions under a medium heat until they're soft. Now that the onions are soft, I'm going to add the 4 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'll cook those under a medium heat for a couple of minutes. Then I'll add 500 grams of minced beef. I'm using the one with 15% fat. After browning, I'm going to start adding my herbs and spices. I'll have the full list of ingredients in the description box. I'm going to start with 1.5 teaspoons of cajun spice. Then I'll go in with 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika. I'll also add 2 teaspoons of chilli flakes. 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of basil, a big pinch of thyme, This is a fresh nutmeg, and I'll just gently tap the shell with a rolling pin, and I'm going to grate half of that. And I'll add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And 200 grams of chopped tomatoes. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and a splash of dark soy sauce. And I'll crush up half a beef stock cube and some boiling water. I'm just going to use a spoon to scoop off the excess fat. Then I'll place the lid on and allow to cook under a medium heat for about 20 minutes, stirring in between time. So after 20 minutes of cooking with the lid on, I'll add some cooked kidney beans that I've rinsed off. I'll check for seasoning. I don't feel it needs any salt after adding the beef stock. So I've taken it off the heat. I'll grab a large wrap and add some grated cheese, and I'll pop that in a preheated oven at 170 until the cheese is melted on top. I've got 4 wraps as you can see, but I've still got lots of mince left over. I'm just going to pop this in the oven after sprinkling with some cheese. And there we are, delicious spicy beef wraps. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next one.